Samsung may have nearly 50 million units smartphones in distributor stocks waiting to be sold. Hello guys, Nours here. Samsung mid-range Galaxy A series took up a huge portion of smartphones in inventory being ready to be sold. Samsung may have overestimated consumer demand when it set a production target of 334 million units at the end of the last year. However, the unexpected slowdown has forced the company to drop targets to around 270 million units of smartphones, and 50 million units is 80% of that. Healthier numbers will be somewhere around 10% to early minus 10%, so the number shows the tech giant is suffering from low demand for smartphones. Also, Samsung temporarily stopped new purchase orders and asked multiple suppliers to delay or reduce component shipments for several weeks. From Samsung's unsold phones, which series are affected? Surprisingly, it's not the pricier Galaxy S22 series or Galaxy Z Fold series that are waiting buyers. Instead, Galaxy A series devices make up the bulk of units yet to be sold. This suggests that consumers could be considering other brands in mid-range tier, hanging on to their devices a little longer, or extending their budgets to sang pricier devices. Traditionally, the Galaxy A series has been Samsung's better sales performer. It's unclear if smartphone sales will pick up later this year. We hope for better numbers. That's it for today, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe and activate the post notification so you won't miss any video or news. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.